What's up, Holly?
Oh, I missed
I'm sorry, Holly.
Oh. Redo. Give me that.
Use it.
This fool.
My glasses! Ew, I feel like a mosquito over me. Oh my god. You know what I forgot? I forgot my other shirt. Oh. You got frosting on your boob. Is it frosting good? Does it smell good? It's on my nose again. It's not chocolate. Are you gagging? I can't breathe.
Sydney, you have Zelina's number?
No water.
I
want to lick it. Inhaler.
Zelina's
The hell?
I didn't want to Baby,
Wait! Happy belated! Was this why you were rushing? Yeah. We were rushing?
And that's not what's onto you.
I just said chill, same place, ish.
Yeah. How do you feel about this? Wait, what's this? I feel dirty. Oh. I got tissue. Are you happy? Tell me. Wait. Are you happy?
In a way.
She's not happy.
Not really.
Oh my god, okay, go. It's like dripping.
Gross.
Shut up.
A big booger.
Is there more? I want more.
No, that was the last cake. I had to grab it from my grandma because she wanted to eat it. I know, but then hella people was gone. And then hella cupcakes.
Mmm, delicious.
What kind of frosting is this?
Fluffy white. Delicious.
I want to taste it.
Look at what happened.
The bundle.
You do that?
I didn't even know I needed baby wipes.
Ew!
Are you crying?
Oh my god. Wrong thing.
At least my shirt is white. At least it's not chocolate. See, I didn't get you chocolate this time.